Prepare your resume. Prepare your resume as carefully as a lawyer would prepare a brief of case to a trial in court. Unless you are experienced in preparing resume, consult an expert. Successful merchant employ people who understand the art of psychology of advertising to present the merit of their merchandise. One who has personal services for sale should do the same. Tip: read read the job posting carefully and be sure to highlight in your cover letter and resume the experience, skill, and knowledge you have that match up with the employer specific needs as described in job posting. The following information should appear in the resume: specific position being applied. Avoid application for a position without describing exactly what a particular position you seek. Never apply for the just position which indicate you lack specialized qualification. Your qualification for the position. Give a full detail as to the reason you believe you are qualified for the particular position you seek. This is the most important detail of your application. It determines more than anything else what consideration you receive. Experience. Experience. If you have experience in connection with position similar to the one you seek, describe it fully and state the name and address for former employer. Be sure to bring out clearly and any special experience that qualified you for the position you seek. Applicable skill. List a skill you have that are needed to perform an advertised job. Your prospective employer is interested more in what you are able to do than what you know. Accomplishment. Provide at least three concrete examples of how you made money or saved money for previous employer or improved the business in some way. For example, by completing the project ahead of a schedule or making a process more efficient. Education. State briefly but definitely what schooling you have had and in what subject you specialized in school, giving your reason for that specialization. Reference. Wise employer will take reference from previous job to verify your identity, knowledge, skill, and performance. Line up your reference in advance and provide at least three references and their contact information. References may include any of the following: former employee or the supervisor, teacher under whom you studied, prominent people whose judgment is reliable. Knowledge of your knowledge of your prospective employer business. Before applying for a position, do sufficient research to familiarize yourself truly with that business and the industry is which it operates. In your cover letter and during the interview, demonstrate your knowledge and ask an intelligent question to show that you have done your homework. You may even have idea about how to improve the prospective employer business. In any event, it so that you can take an initiative and care about the business and not just the job it offers. Offer to work on probation for a week or a month or for a sufficient length of time to enable your prospective employer judge your value without pay. This may appear to be radical suggestion, but experience has proven that it seldom fails to win at least a trial. If you are sure of your qualification, a trial is all you needed. Incidentally, such an offer indicates that you have confidence in your ability to fill the position you seek. It is most convincing if your offer is accepted and you make a good on it. More, more than likely, you will be paid for your probation period. Make a clear fact that your offer is based upon your confidence in your ability to fill the position. You are confident in your prospective employer decision or to employ you after trial. Your determination to have a position you seek. Remember it is not a lawyer who knows the most law, but the one who best prepared the case. who wins. If your case is properly prepared and presented, your victory will have been more than half won at the outset. Do not be afraid of making your resume too long. Employers are just as much as interested in purchasing the service of well qualified applicants as you are in securing employment. In fact, the success of most successful employer is due to primarily to their ability to select well qualified employees. They want all the information available. Remember, neatness neatness in preparation of your resume indicate that you have care and that you attend to details. I have helped to prepare resume for clients that were so striking as well as out of ordinary that they resulted in the employment of applicant without the personal interview. Once 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 the resume is completed, have it typed on the finest paper you can obtain. Carefully check the spelling and the grammar. Follow this instruction to the letter, improving upon them wherever your imagination suggests. Successful salespeople groom themselves with care. They understand that first impressions are the lasting. Your resume is your sales representative. Give it to the good suit of clothes so it it will stand out in bold contrast in anything your prospective employer ever saw in the way of application from the position for the position. If the position you seek is worth having, it is worth pursuing with care. Moreover, if you sell yourself to an employer in the manner that impresses him or her with your individuality, you probably will receive more money for your services from a very start than you would if you applied for employment in the usual conventional way. View your job as a partnership. When you are in a business of selling your services to you would do best to view your job as a partnership in which you and your employer partner as colleagues to solve the needs of client or customer. In the past, employer and the employee have bartered among themselves, driving the best bargains they could with one another, not considering that in the final analysis they were in reality bargaining at the expense of the third party, the customer they served.